is he? It's my mother.
I think he shit on your window.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, shit on
Oh yeah.
Why does it keep telling me this? Unable to record videos during a call. There's no call. You're screaming like, don't scream like that because you're scaring him.
I can't help it, I'm scared.
Everyone's so
It's gonna poke your eyes out. Did you see the movie The Birds?
scared.
Poking your eyes out.
Oh, sorry. I need, Kelly, take a picture of this. Take a movie of this because it will not.
Where'd he go now?
Right there.
Oh, isn't it pretty?
Take the movie, Mason.
Take a picture of that. It's so pretty.
Take the movie, Mason, because
am.
mine won't take it. Shh, don't do that.
He wants to make him fly a little booger. Look how pretty he is in there.
Mom wants to catch the bird.
Candace!
Why are you screaming?
Kelly, you probably want to go
Bird
now.
really wants to come out.
What's wrong with you?
Did Mason get the movie?
Bird's like right in front of me. Bird is like hopping. And I'm not
Oh, he's on your flower. Why would he go away?
It's a bird. A bird does not know which way to go.
Oh, the
Bird,
kitty
come
needs to
on.
go out. Make sure the kitty needs to go
No,
out.
Kitty's-
He's in the
she put him
basement.
down. It's Mom! Bart, that's Mom.
She always had to be the life of the party.
It's a mother. How do
See,
you
this
know
thing
that?
can't even take a picture. I don't get it.
Wait till I tell my sister this happened.
Hey,
This
please
is
explain
the
to me
mother.
because I really want to get
Come on, birds. Come out.
Have you tried to video it?
Bird.
Oh.
My God, bird.
Candace, just don't scream.
Yeah, I'm trying not to.
All right, sit over here. We're going to put you over in a corner.
I'm gonna get picture.
See, like when you
better stop
yeah,
moving.
when you
You're
do
Bird.
it, it says,
Just move. Bird, bird, bird. Come on, bird. And now you got a picture of the bird on your house. Are you happy?
there's no call going on. Like if you want to
My sister is not gonna believe that there is a bird in your house.
This bird. I swear, this bird.
Wait, what are you doing?
It might be a robot.
Do you even
It might
know
be a
you just agreed to a girl?
Oh, he's gonna go again.
She agreed to something, I
Here
don't
he
know.
goes.
what.
I got out of it.
Okay. Oh,
Move.
He doesn't even care.
what are these things here? Maybe this has something.
battery. He's like, I don't care.
I think he's tired of. Oh!
I don't get it. You know what I'm doing?
Okay. Can someone lead this bird in that direction? Bird. Hey, Bird, come
It's
on.
my mother.
We're working on you here. Bird. Bird, come on. Go
He's so cute.
Bird,
His
come on.
colors are so
Right
pretty.
here.
I've never seen one that colorful.
Bird.
We'll have to look into what kind of bird it is.
Bird.
Are you getting it,
Right
Mason?
there. Yeah, I'm getting like 200%.
I want you to put it to music and be like it's grandma.
Okay. Grandma. Hi,
Grandma!
It might be my grandmother
We
I
love
never
you,
even
Grandma.
met.
He's
But
gonna take
now
that
you
sign
gotta
this
go.
way again. Oh,
Grandma.
yeah, keep him going. He's going. He's going. He's going. Good
Look
job,
at
Bart.
Raspberry pointing. Get your mom pointing. That is funny. Linda! Oh!
Well, great job.
I think you would have been.
Oh, he's in the garbage. He's in the garbage.
I think Bart got him.
Oh, he's got him. Good job.
Oh, good idea.
So emoji.
Go, Grandma, go. Go. Make him for
Bye,
fun.
Grandma.
Get ready. Close the door so he didn't come back.
Unless he died.
Bro.
Go see Mason.
Bird.
Get it on movie. Hurry, get in here.
Let me see a bird.
Get him out of there.
Bird died. Oh, it's right there.
coming.
Okay.
All right, get the garbage.
Get the garbage. Wait, did he leave?
Yeah, he left.
Okay, get the garbage.
Oh, my God.
That was my
Here
mother.
you go, Mason.
That was mom.
Is anyone gonna play with the ball with me?
You can go play with him.
He fly away.
Yeah. Bird's gone.
The whole time I wanted that movie. It wouldn't let me go.